Today we got to do something we don't normally get to do. We actually did a wall repair, Versalock repair. Normally we're not always able to do it. This time the wall was on the ground, and we were able to take it all back up and dig everything out, get down to the base. We knew the base was installed properly. That's a huge deal. So we had minimal disruption of that. Everything else pretty much was destroyed. So we had to completely get down to the base and had to start all over again. And we were able to tie it in. We had two good fixed points, and it went pretty smoothly. And it's something that the vast majority of the time it seems that we have to pass up. The reason we were able to do this one in particular is because we actually did the installation. So normally we don't, if a wall is laying on the ground, it's usually because it failed because someone didn't do it properly. So we're not able to just cut and piece in a small section of Versalock or a similar type wall block. It usually has to completely be taken down and start all over. So this is I would say a success for what we were trying to do, and the reason it was even down in the first place was because this is a loading dock, and a tractor trailer wiped out pretty good section. So we built our walls pretty sturdy, but they're not going to take a direct impact from that. So that's pretty much it for that. Now see if we can get some shots of it. Pretty much everywhere you see new topsoil, this was all completely taken down. We had to step it down. The property owner wanted to keep the same block, so we did have to discard a few of them that were too badly damaged, but we were able to get by just only using a handful. You can see over here, because of the damage from the tractor trailer, we had to make a few cuts to get our bond lines to line back up. Otherwise we were going to end up with a gap and have a pretty big cut. So this is pretty much the best way to do it. And like we said, this is not something we can always do, but if it was installed properly and we know that for a fact, then this can be done.